Hi, my name is Ann-Britt and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to clear up the confusion about how to apply your serums, sunscreen, layering your skincare in the right order. So if you've never been here before, welcome. If you have, welcome again. So it's a beautiful bright Sunday afternoon and I decided why not do this video because we have just did a hyaluronic acid serum review. So no time like the present, so without further ado, let's get into the video. The first thing that I'm going to do is I've already cleansed my face and we're going to apply the hyaluronic acid 2% and vitamin B5. So I know this is like a thick consistency, but what I'm going to show you is there's several different ways. So normally in the morning I would cleanse my face, leave it slightly damp after patting it dry. Because my skin is dry now, what I'm going to do, there's different ways you can do it. You can cleanse your face, pat it, so leave it slightly damp and then apply your hyaluronic acid, or at night time I use a toning lotion, so you can use a toning lotion and when it's damp with that you can apply your hyaluronic acid, or you can use a facial essence spritzer like so. So the main thing is that your skin is going to be damp, okay? So let me take, you only need 2 to 3 drops and smooth it on the hands, smooth it onto the face, and then you would pat dry. Like so. So the rule of thumb is it doesn't matter if you're using hyaluronic acid or whatever, it's the texture and the density that matters, because this is a water-based serum, so apply water-based first. Then you're going to see with me what I have to apply next, because I'm showing you what I would use in the morning. So now I'm going to use my vitamin C serum. And I'm going to apply 4 drops. And you just wait on the hyaluronic acid like absorbing a little bit, just like a couple of minutes. But obviously my skin is sucked in like crazy, so must have needed it. And then I'm going to apply my vitamin C serum. Now I do have in-depth about my morning routine, the ingredients, and my nighttime routine, because in my nighttime routine I apply retinol serum. So what I do with that at night time is I actually, after applying the hyaluronic acid, I leave my skin for about 20 minutes. I can't do it at night time because I have the time, and then I apply my retinol serum. So basically you're going up in texture, so it's like water, gel, etc., cream. Okay, so that is my vitamin C applied. Now, what I do now, this would normally be at the end of what you would apply, but my sunscreen is in a serum form. This is La Roche Posay, and this is Antioxidant. Now, this is SPF 50 and it's a vitamin C sunscreen. So as I said, just, you know, work it out, because this is in a serum form, so that's why I apply it now, and then I apply my cream on top. So I'm going to use 2 drops of this. Obviously if your sunscreen is in a cream form, you would apply it at the end. As you can see, glow baby glow. And if you guys are after a sunscreen that's good for sensitive skin and has got vitamin C in this, I highly recommend this. This is amazing, this sunscreen. But as I say, I went more into detail in depth about ingredients when I did my AM and PM routines. This video is really to show you about the order and how to mix and layer. Now, if you do have a skincare oil in your regime, say at night time, you can mix it with your moisturiser, you know, so that you're skipping a step and put that on last, okay? Now, what I do, as I say, because this is in a serum form, that's why I apply my sunscreen now. But generally, if your sunscreen is in a cream form, you would apply it at the end. But I'm doing it the other way around. So this is the RoC Revive and Glow Vitamin C Moisturiser. Now, I'm layering like this because it's winter time and I need more hydration. But when the season changes again and it's summertime and it's very humid, yes, I will be leaving some products out of my regime, but always a sunscreen. And that is how you apply and layer your skincare. I know it can be confusing, but just remember, water-based products first. Always apply your hyaluronic acid serum to a damp skin, okay? And then you would move on to the rest of your serums. Just allow the hyaluronic acid serum a couple of minutes to absorb. If you have to, get a fan. If you're impatient, it's okay. I always like to pull a joke. Come on, I'm Scottish, of course. Can't be totally serious. Just remember, the heavier the density, that's the order you apply. So the thinnest to the thickest texture, that's generally how to keep yourself on the straight and narrow, because yes, it can be extremely confusing. So I hope you liked this little video, and I hope that clears up how to apply your hyaluronic acid serum and your other serums. So until the next time, and until the next skincare video, I will say adios.